If you're looking for a natural way to kind of control your ants, fleas, ticks, mosquitoes, there's a list right here of all the different things that it does control. You might want to consider this. Now, this is 32 ounces. This is good for right around 5,000 square feet. This does contain cedarwood oil, sesame oil, also sodium lauryl sulfate, and also some soap. That helps it kind of stick to everything. And what you can do is just spray this around your yard, spray it on any areas where there's mosquitoes, anywhere you're going to see all those things that you're trying to get rid of. Also, you can spray it on your house. I'm going to do that in a minute. I'm going to hook up a water hose up here, just kind of spray it. And of course, we've got our nozzle here so when you do use this nozzle, make sure you just pull this tab back. That's to turn it on and off. So that's real simple to do. I'm definitely going to go through all this whole 32 ounces and be able to spray my yard, because I've got tons of mosquitoes, ants. I think we all kind of have all those bugs that we just want to get rid of. Let's go ahead and hook it up, and then I'm just going to show you how well it sprays and kind of how to actually apply it too. So this just connects to a standard size hose. Just going to put the hose in here and just go ahead and just turn it on there and get it just nice and tight so it doesn't leak. Now, once you do spray this, you're free to get onto the grass or any area that this has been applied to, because these are all natural ingredients. One thing, I did purchase this on my own. I just wanted to go ahead and get a good product for my house, and this, from the reviews, this looks really good. So right now I've got water pressure on it, so it is holding the water. You can see here, it holds it really good. So let's go ahead and apply it. What you want to do is go up at least 2 feet on the house. Just spray it up and down. Spray the grass. Just apply all of those trouble areas here. Now, you would want to reapply this just as needed so you get everything under control, or especially after a heavy rain, because it can wash this and dilute it, and it's not going to be as effective. Super easy to use. Hook up your water hose and spray, and you're ready to play. Hope you found this review helpful.